Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to make a shortcut on the desktop of any program which you want to use. So some softwares are by default creates the shortcut on the desktop, but some are not. So how to create the shortcut on the desktop? Let me show you. Just open the start menu, then click on all, and once you click on all, let's say I want to create the shortcut of Excel. Just you need to only click here and then simply drag it here. Now shortcut is created here and you can simply open it from here like so. And if you want to make another shortcut, just we can drag it here like this. It is not dragging. Okay, let's click here and then try to drag it. Now it's done now. So basically you need to click on start menu, then click on all, and you can select it from here. You can see, and if you want to delete them, you can just right click there and simply delete them. Right click and delete like this. Okay, so I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.